Hey guys, it's Ernesto. Welcome back to yet another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm having a wonderful day. So, getting started with a photo shoot can sometimes be a challenge. I know it was for me. However, today I'm going to share with you guys 5 tips to a successful photo shoot. So stay tuned. I'm going to get straight into it. Tip number 1, having a plan or a theme. Whenever my photo shoots failed in the past is because I went into the photo shoot not having a plan or a theme. So what do I mean by planning? I don't mean location scouting, I don't mean getting the right lighting gear, and I don't even mean your camera. What I do mean is ensuring that I speak to everyone involved in the photo shoot so that we're all on the same page. And if I can't speak to everyone that's involved in the photo shoot, for every one of my photo shoot, I try to make sure that I have some type of a mood board so that we are all on the same page and we are following the same playbook. Also, having a theme helps me to get in the right headspace so that when I get there on the day of the photo shoot, I can execute exactly the way I want to. For the photo shoot that you're seeing in this video, the makeup artist provided the theme. What she wanted was beauty fused with a forest vibe, and my job was to execute that vision. Number 2, confidence. Let's be clear, if someone reaches out to me for my services, then they have the confidence in me that I can execute the vision that they're looking for. And my one job is to not let them down. Confidence is not about being cocky. No one likes anyone showing off on a set. It's not cool and it kills the vibe. My confidence comes from the trust that the person in front of my camera have entrusted me with. The many years and the thousands of dollars that I have spent on investing in myself in photography education, and all my amazing failures. All these things combined gives me the confidence I need when I walk on set. Number 3, take control. As the photographer on a photo shoot, I'm the one in control. It is my responsibility to capture the story that I was tasked to carry out. If that shoot fails, it's my fault. There's no one else to blame. If it fails, it's because I did not assert myself on that photo shoot. If you are the photographer and you're letting everybody else on the set giving you creative direction on where the shoot should go, then the shoot is no longer yours. It becomes everyone else's and it could potentially be a mess. Now, don't get me wrong. I do listen to everyone on the set and I make adjustments where necessary. Terrence, who's an amazing photographer, assisted me on this photo shoot. When he saw that I was trying to problem solve for particular situations, he came up with some great suggestions and I actually took some of those suggestions. For example, on the very first set, when we were trying to get a particular shot, I was using the sun as a backlight and the sun was a little bit too harsh on the subject and I really didn't like that. So I was trying to solve for that situation and he saw that and he saw an opportunity there to give me a great advice, which was basically put a scrim between the subject and the light, and that helped to soften the light really beautifully, and I really loved the result of that shot. That said, at all times, don't forget who is in control of that photo shoot. Be open-minded. Don't ever go on a set and just be closed-minded and say, you know what, I came here with a specific vision. I don't want anyone to interrupt it. That is the wrong thinking to have. Be open-minded, welcome all suggestions, but only take in the suggestions that could solve a problem that can get you to your ultimate vision. Tip number 4. Light is critically important. It can make or break your photo shoot. The wrong light combined with the correct vision can lead to a disaster of a photo shoot. For example, using natural light for a vision that requires artificial light can lead to a failed photo shoot. And the opposite is true as well. Using artificial light for a photo shoot that needs natural light can also ruin the vision and create a failed photo shoot. So knowing what type of light to use and how to use artificial light and natural light can make you an invaluable photographer on a photo shoot. I know photographers that know how to use both artificial and natural light, but in certain cases, they don't know how to use either one really well. So don't be lazy. Master lighting. That is the most valuable tool that you have in your toolkit, not your camera. For this photo shoot, using natural light would have resulted in a failed photo shoot. The vision clearly called for a moody studio vibe, which couldn't have been achieved with natural light. Number 5, posing. I'm not gonna go into too much detail in this video about posing because I cover this topic in other videos. That said, working with models as a photographer makes our jobs incredibly easy because for the most part, models can pose themselves and we don't have to worry about posing them, which is an amazing relief. However, even models require direction. Posing tips, for example. As the person in charge of the theme, it's critically important that I don't let the model do whatever they want and go rogue. You have to provide some sort of directions to give the model something to do so that it can accomplish the goal that you're going for, which ultimately is the theme, the vision of your photo shoot.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a who line for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side? I don't know if you thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and doubt on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. All the pictures, dimensions, I don't with your digits. I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause they got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going.
Alright guys, so that is it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought was the best part of this video, the best images that you enjoy. Put those comments down below, let me know. And yeah, put a thumbs up on this video as well if you really enjoyed it. I would certainly appreciate that. Share this video with your friends and family if you think it will be helpful to them. And guys, if you got this far in this video and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, well, I don't know what to tell you. But you better subscribe though, and hit that bell button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye. Hey guys, this is Ernesto. Welcome back to yet another photo shoot. It's really been a while. Oh man.